Yo, what is up? Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to look at the get versus post in Python in the form of a tabular way. So look at it to understand how it's working out. Okay. So HTTP request from the foundation of web communication, with get and post being the two most common methods. While both allow client-server interaction, they differ fundamentally in how they handle data security implications and appropriate use cases. So we are going to look at the feature and then how it's handled in the guest and how it's handled in the post. So for data location, it is visible in URL in the get, but then hidden in the request body of post. For data length, it is limited to 2048 characters in the get, but then on the post is virtually unlimited. Another feature on caching. Okay, caching can be cached in get, but on post it is not cached. On grounds of bookmarking, get requests can be bookmarked, but then post requests cannot be bookmarked. On the grounds of security, data through guest is less secure, but then through post is more secure. There's also the server impact. Server is read-only for the get, and then on the grounds of the post, it may modify data. That's basically the tabular difference between the get and the post. So do well to know how you use them and how they. So we are virtually going to look at the get and the post in Python. Two examples. Here's a get example. Do well to pause the video, run this code, let us know how it went. And then this is the post where you also take your time, run this, and then let's know how it went. Do well to pause it and then try it out and let's know how it went for you. Okay, thank you for watching this video once again.